Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is about some passion twists. These are available on Amazon and they're called Tiana pre-twisted passion twists, and they are by ToyoTress, so you can definitely find them on Amazon. They do come in a 7-pack deal or an 8-pack deal, and I'll leave links to where you can check those out down below. I got the 7-pack, so I used every single twist, you guys. So this is how much it looks like if you use every single twist. Now these twists are absolutely gorgeous. They're some of the most beautiful twists I've tried. I did make a wig out of my twists, so this is actually footage from me making a different wig, but just to show you kind of what I do to make the wigs. So I used a braided cap this time, but this example is just showing you on a net cap. So you basically just crochet like you normally would, but like I said, this time I used a braided cap, and the passion twist crocheted so beautifully into the cap, you guys. It was so neat. They were so clean. Like, you see how fuzzy these ones are? These passion twists were absolutely neat and clean, nothing fuzzy at all. So you see how these look? They're so pristine. I love how really springy and coily and twisted up they are. They're really, really beautiful, and they really keep their shape through the crocheting process. That's a problem that I've had with other crochet twists. They don't keep their shape through the process, and then you end up having twists that all look slightly variations differently because they've sort of changed. But these stayed really beautiful. Now these are a little bit heavier than the other twists that I've tried. They have like a very nice density to them, like they have a sort of a weight to them. So definitely keep that in mind. So like I always do when I use my crochet wigs, I always add crochet hair to the front of my braids to just give it a better blended look. So this is how it came out once I went ahead and added the crochet twist in the front. You could always add more around the sides and, you know, along the edges to just give you a nice blended seamless look. Like I said, I really love these twists, you guys. I love the density of them. I love the curl pattern of them. I just love how they look at the ends, especially. It's really, really beautiful. The hair that they use to create these crochets, I absolutely adore the hair. And as you can see, I added some baby hairs to my hair just to finish off the look. And this is pretty much the end result, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Make sure you check the information box. There's all the information you need to order these twists. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really, really helps me out. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at JessTheDragoness with 3 S's at the end. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.